रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। आपदामपहर्तारम् दातारं सर्वसम्पदाम् लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। आर्तानामार्तिहन्तारम् भीतानां भीतिनाशनम् दुष्यतां कालदण्डं तम् श्रीरामचन्द्रं नमाम्यहम्। The glory of the two families and the glory of the two clans, Dasharatha Maharaj and Janaka Maharaj. This great poet Tulsidas is not at all wanting to end that glory. He just wants to continue to talk about the glory. He is continuously describing the glory. Tulsidas Ji Maharaj, Goswami Tulsidas, ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ದಶರಥ ಮಹಾರಾಜನ ಆ ವಂಶದ, ಜನಕ ಮಹಾರಾಜನ ವಂಶದ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ವೇ, ಅದರ್ ವೇ. He says, I don't have words to completely describe these two clans. Such beautiful clans. कर जोरी जनकु बहोरी बंधु समेत को सलराय सो। सानि स्नेहशील सुभाय सो। संबंध राजन रावरे हम बड़े अब सब विधि भये। राज साज समेत सेवक जानिबे बिनु गथलये। Ivaga, now the Janaka Maharaj is now folding his hands in front of Dasharatha Maharaj and saying, I am feeling extremely happy to have had a matrimonial relationship with your family. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆಯ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗದೇ ಇರುವಷ್ಟು ಆನಂದ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜನಕ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್, his brothers also joined together. All of them went and stood in front of Dasharatha Maharaj, folded their hands and said, what a wonderful, happy occasion for us it is that we have now made a matrimonial relationship with you. And then Janaka Maharaj on his part, he is saying that at this occasion I would like to say that you see, this is the way of expression. This is the way a person expresses his gratitude, his happiness, his fortunes. He says, from this moment onwards, please don't hesitate to consider us as your dasas. They know that is Janaka Maharaja is Mithila Naresh, and Dasharatha Maharaj is Ayodhya Naresh. So from the point of view of even the power also, he knows who is higher end. So Janaka Maharaj is saying, so please accept us as your servants, and then whatever you want, you order to us. We are ready to do anything. It's a beautiful, affectionate way. Same thing Dasharatha Maharaj also will be saying in a different way. with all affection. ए दारिका परिचारिका करिपाली भी करुणा नहीं, अपराधु क्षमिबो बोली पठे बहुत हो ढीट्यो कई, भानुकुल भूषण सकल सन्मान निधि समधि किए, कहीं जाति नहीं बिनती परस्पर प्रेम परिपूर्ण हिए, beautifully he is now requesting Janak Maharaj, these daughters of our family whom we have given in marriage to your family, please consider them as small children. Keep on pardoning them for all their mistakes what they do. Don't ever get angry with them. Do maximum, be very, very compassionate towards them. And I have now asked you to come here for the sake of the marriage, so please forgive me also for giving you the trouble of coming here. This way both of them, and Dasharatha Maharaj his way of expression is different. You know, we see people, some people say many things, some people without saying they'll be doing things. Dasharatha Maharaj also is saying, no, don't say that, don't say such things. He's also giving a lot of gifts to the family, and the mutual love of those two people one cannot describe at all. So Tulsidas is not able to describe such a wonderful, lofty affection both of them got for each other. I'm not able to describe it. Brindaraka gan suman bari sahi rau jana vase hi chale. जय धुनि वेद धुनि नभ नगर कौतूहल भले, तब सखी मंगल गान करत मुनीस आयुष आयस पाई कै, दुलहिन सहित सुंदरी चली कोह बरल्याई के, now the time has come for them to now go for the other activities. So Dasharatha Maharaj is left to the Janavas, the Atithi Graha. Now he is gone, not the Atithi, it's Janavas. Janavas means where the Samandhi is going to stay. That's called Janavas. So he has left to his place, and then everywhere from all over people are dropping flowers from top, from heaven also. The Devatas are all offering flowers to this entire family, and the obtaining the permission of the elderly people, the lady folk started singing beautiful folk songs, and they started leading the Dulaha and Dulhin, both the bride and the bridegroom. They started taking them to their respective places. पुनि पुनि राम हिचित वसिया, सकुचति मनु सकुचैना, हरत मनोहर मीन छवि, प्रेम पिया से नैना. Sita ji and Ram, now they are also leaving to their respective places, whatever the next rituals have to be done. But Sita's eyes, she is feeling shy to look at Ram, but she is not feeling shy. She is feeling shy to look at Ram, but in mind she is not shy to look at Ram. So it's a very, very beautiful combination of emotions going on. And then the eyes are looking as though they were two small fish which are moving here and there. Very, what you call exactly like the fish, active. They are moving around here and there. So it's a very beautiful scene of Sita Devi looking at Ram. श्याम शरीर सुभाए सुहावन, शोभा कोटि मनोज लजावन, जावक जुत पद कमल सुहाए, मुनि मन मधुप रहत जिन छाए. Very, very beautiful. The body of Ram is being described. The wonderful, what you call as the dark color of Ram, like a cloud and slightly bluish color also. It's looking so handsome. One cannot describe it. It's more than crores of cupids. Crores of Kamadeva come also, they cannot equal Ram's beauty. And then the feet also are looking so grand, because they are like the lotus flowers around which the bees in the form of rishis are always rounding about. The bees in the form of rishis, they are always going around the lotus feet of Ram, so they are looking very, very grand. Sri Ramara ಶರೀರವನ್ನು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಥರ ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ನೀಲಿನ ಕಪ್ಪು ಸೇರಿರೋ ಬಣ್ಣ, ಮೋಡದ ಬಣ್ಣ, ಅವರ ಪಾದ ಕಮಲಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಂದವಾಗಿದೆಯಂತೆ. ಮುನಿಗಳು ಋಷಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ದುಂಬಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ತಾವರೆ ಹೂವನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಂತೆ, ಪಾದ ಕಮಲಗಳನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪೀತ ಪುನೀತ್ ಮನೋಹರ ಧೋತಿ, ಹರತಿ ಬಾಲ ರಬಿ ದಾಮಿನಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ, ಕಲಕಿಂಕಿನಿ ಕಟಿ ಸೂತ್ರ ಮನೋಹರ, ಬಾಹು ವಿಶಾಲ ವಿಭೂಷಣ ಸುಂದರ. ಅವರು ಶುದ್ಧವಾದ ಒಂದು ಅರಿಶಿಣ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೀತಾಂಬರವನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪೀತಾಂಬರದ ಹೊಳಪು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಬಾಲ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಉದಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಅದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬೆಳಗಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಉದಯ ಆಗ್ತಾನ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದನ್ ದಿ ಸೂರ್ಯೋದಯ, ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಸನ್, ದ ಪೀತಾಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಗವಾನ್ ರಾಮ್. ಅಂಡ್ he's got a waist band. That waist band is also looking so beautiful because of small bells which are there. And then hands are very, very ajana bhuja, very, very wonderful, powerful hands with all the different types of ornaments on the hands. He's looking glorious, absolutely wonderful. Pita janevu mahachhabideyi, karamudrika chori chituleyi, सोहत ब्याह साज सब साजे, उर आयत उर भूषण राजे. ಅವರ ಜನವಾರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಜನವಾರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಂತೆ. ಆ ಜನವಾರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈವನ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್, ದ ಜನೇವು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜನೇವು, ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. And then he's got a ring on his ring finger. The ring finger one cannot describe, so beautiful the ring is looking in his fingers. And he's got all the ornaments which were put on the time at the time of the marriage. They have not been still taken off. All the ornaments are there. And then he's got wonderful ornaments on the chest also. Everything is looking very, very grand. Priyar uparana ka khasoti, दुहु आचरनी लगे मनि मोती, नयन कमल कल कुंडल काना, बदनु सकल सौंदर्य निधाना. He is also wearing a angavastram, what we call a dupatta. The dupatta is two sides. Dupatta is two sides you put, that's why we call it dupatta. So dupatta, here it is angavastram, we call it as angavastram. It's having a pila angavastra, also yellow color angavastra, but angavastra is also beautifully shining just like the janevu also. And then on the both ends of the angavastra, there are beautiful pearls which have been attached to the angavastra. They are also looking great, and the eyes of Ram are looking so beautiful like lotuses. And ears are also beautiful. They are having what you call ear rings. They have got kundal. Kundal is beautifully hanging ear ornaments. And then entire body from head to toe is only beauty, beauty, beauty. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajaman Harana Bhava Bhaya Darunam. Navakanja Lochana Kanja Mukakar Kanja Para Kanjarunam. Navakanja Lochana Kanja Mukakar Kanja Para Kanjarunam. Shri Ram, 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 Shri Ram. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramayah, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti.